Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 best tattoo machines in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best tattoo machines? If you received a new tattoo machines, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best tattoo machines on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Number 1. Yulong Max Professional Wireless Tattoo Pen. The Yulong Max eliminates the need for cumbersome cables, allowing for greater freedom of movement. Artists can move freely around their workspace without worrying about tangled wires, making it perfect for those who prefer a clean, flexible setup. Rating 5.0. Reviews 31. Sold 134. Number 2. Fluck Max Professional Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Fluck Max operates without any cords or cables, allowing tattoo artists to work with complete freedom and flexibility. This wireless design eliminates the hassle of tangled wires, making it an ideal choice for those who want a more streamlined and convenient setup. Rating 4.5. Reviews 2. Sold 9. Number 3. Mast P60 Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Mast P60 is completely wireless, giving tattoo artists freedom from tangled cords and the limitations of a wired setup. This wireless design makes it ideal for those who prefer mobility and a clean, organized workspace. Rating 5.0. Reviews 12. Sold 75. Link on the description. Number 4. T-Rex Wireless Tattoo Pen Machine. The T-Rex allows users to easily adjust the voltage and speed to suit their preferences and the demands of different tattoo styles. Whether working on delicate line work, shading, or bold coloring, artists can fine-tune the power for optimal performance. Rating 4.9. Reviews 34. Sold 79. Number 5. Zenit Vipera Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Zenit Vipera features a completely wireless design, giving tattoo artists the freedom to move without the constraints of cables. This wireless technology offers greater flexibility and convenience during tattoo sessions, allowing for smoother, more fluid movements. Rating 4.8. Reviews 137. Sold 471. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.